Let's dive into the important topic of fire safety. Did you know that house fires are more common than you might think? In fact, every year, a staggering number of house fires occur, putting lives and properties at risk. Today, we'll be discussing the common causes of house fires and essential safety tips that you need to know to keep yourself and your loved ones safe. Cooking fires are common. Never leave cooking unattended. Keep heaters away from flammable objects like curtains. Smoking is dangerous. Don't smoke in bed and extinguish cigarettes properly. Keep burning candles away from books, magazines, and anything that can burn easily. Faulty wiring, overloaded outlets, and old appliances can cause fires. Get your electrical system checked regularly. Store flammable liquids like gasoline and paint away from heat sources. Keep lighters and matches out of reach of children. Remove dry leaves and debris around your home to prevent fire hazards. Check for gas leaks regularly. Have a qualified professional service your gas appliances. Now, let's talk about some key safety measures that can make a significant difference in the event of a fire. Enforce right cooking practices and always monitor cooking equipment in use. Correcting the location of room heaters. Regularly upkeep fire alarms and safely dispose cigarette butts only in ashtray. Properly maintain your fire alarm system by testing the batteries once a month. If they are not working, replace them immediately. Never leave burning candles, oil lamps, diyas etc. in puja room or other open flame illuminations unattended. Timely check home electrical system. Check outlets and switches for cracks or breaks. Call an electrician if needed. If any electrically powered devices are not in use, then immediately remove it from the plug. It can prevent the fire. To prevent the fire, make sure that the flammable liquids such as gasoline, paints, petrol, kerosene, gasoline, diesel etc. and other highly flammable liquids or materials are stored in containers and are kept away in a safe place. Sit down with your kids and have a conversation about fire prevention and safety that requires their involvement. Teach your children the basics of fire safety and how to prevent and deal with a fire. Always remember to keep clean, combustible debris such as dry grass, stacks of firewood and debris etc. away from home. Regularly check the natural gas, LPG gas system at your home without any failure for fire prevention in your home. Bonus tip: keep fire safety products like fire blanket and fire extinguisher handy. In summary, fire safety is not something to be taken lightly. By understanding the common causes of house fires and implementing safety measures, you can protect yourself and your family from potential disasters. Remember, prevention is key. Before we wrap up, we want to hear from you. Share your own fire safety tips in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos on home safety.